The three forces, which we have learned, in our early study of physics, are gravitational force, centripetal force, and centrifugal force. These will help us, for a better understanding, of what causes tides. Gravitational force is a natural force of attraction, that tends to draw bodies together. Centripetal force is the force needed to an object, revolving about a point moving, in a circular path. Centrifugal force is the force that tends to propel an object, or parts of an object outward from the center of rotation. Earth, Sun system. The interaction of forces between the Earth and the Sun. Tides results from the differences between centrifugal forces and gravitational forces. The Earth does not fly off into space, nor does not fall into the Sun. Inequalities of gravitational forces and centrifugal forces result in high tides on opposite sides of the Earth, at the same time on the side away from the Sun, as well as the side toward it. Low tides will occur midway between these areas. Please watch the video. Day and night, and seasons. I will put the link down below the description. Okay. Let us now continue to our study. Perihelion is the point in the Earth's orbit that is nearest to the Sun. About 147.1 million kilometers, or 91.4 million miles. Aphelion is the point in the Earth's orbit that is farthest from the Sun. About 152.1 million kilometers, or 94.5 million miles. Earth-Moon system. Similar effect to Earth-Sun system. Since the Earth is of much greater mass than the Moon, the center of gravity of the Earth-Moon system is inside the Earth's surface on the lunar side of the Earth's center. This is known as the barycenter, located at about 2,900 miles from the center towards the Moon, at about 1,100 miles deep inside the Earth. Please watch the video. Phases of the Moon. I will put the link down below the description. Okay. Let us now continue to our study. Perigee occurs when the Moon is at the point in its orbit nearest to the Earth. Apogee occurs when the Moon is farthest from the Earth. Due to the fact that the Moon is much closer to the Earth, at about 238,860 miles away. Its tidal forces are approximately 2.5 times greater than those of the Sun, roughly at about 92 million miles distant. The differential attraction of the Moon, on opposite sides of the Earth, produces an ellipsoid of water surrounding the Earth, with its major diameter in line with the direction of the Moon. The water level at any place would tend to rise and fall, as the Earth rotates, within its ellipsoid of water. This influence of the Moon, that caused the water level to rise and fall, is known as the lunar tide. The Sun produces similar effect to the Moon, but to a lesser degree. The differential solar attraction on opposite sides of the Earth is small compared with the differential lunar attraction. The rising and falling of the water level, due to the effect of the Sun, is known as the solar tide. Spring tides are tides that have higher highs and lower lows, occurs when the Moon is at opposition, or in conjunction with the Earth and Sun. At times of new moon and full moon, where the range of tide is greater than the average. Neap tides are tides that have lower highs and higher lows, occurs when the Moon is at quadrature with the Earth and Sun. At times of first quarter and third quarter, where the range of tide is less than the average. Priming of the tide occurs when the Moon is between new moon and first quarter, and between full moon and last quarter. High tides occurs before transit of the Moon. Lagging of a tide occurs when the Moon is between first quarter and full moon, and between third quarter and new moon. High tides occurs after transit of the Moon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.